The goals of the mental health court program are these: to reduce recidivism, to keep the mentally ill out of jails and prisons, to reduce the number of encounters between the mentally ill and law enforcement. Law enforcement has a hard job out there in dealing with the mentally ill. If someone acted the way mentally ill do with often with law enforcement, they'd be on the ground or tased or in cuffs. But our officers in our local area undergo what we call CIT training, crisis intervention training. Rather than push the mentally ill around or treat them roughly, they learn how to de-escalate the situation, recognizing that it's caused by mental illness and not out of, could be anger, but not out of a criminal intent. Another goal is to improve public safety. The idea is to quickly get the mentally ill in a situation where they are treated and have the resources necessary that they don't commit further crimes. And also, a very big goal is to do just that, to get the mentally ill the treatment and the resources they need to lead responsible, independent lives. Now, there are a number of mental health courts around our state. And the Rome Circuit, the Rome Judicial Circuit, has just received a grant from the state of Georgia to start its mental health court. It's $114,000. It pays for salaries of the staff and of the charges for the treatment providers, as well as the surveillance officers. And the idea, again, is to take the dollars that would be spent on incarceration, where the results are not very good, and to more wisely spend those dollars on supervision and treatment, where the results, through evidence-based research, have been very good. This is what is commonly called being smart on crime. Traditional sentencing options for the mentally ill just aren't effective. What good does it do to put a mentally ill person on probation when the supervision is not adequate? Should someone with mental illness be incarcerated for a crime that would not have been committed except for the mental illness? Do the treatment plans that I have available to me for drug treatment, are those effective if the mentally ill person isn't taking his or her prescribed medication? Do the mentally ill typically have any money to pay fines? And the answer to all those questions is no. So that's what we're doing, and that's what the state of Georgia has stepped up to the plate to combine the criminal justice system and those with mental illness to obtain a good result and a just result, because that's what we're all about, obtaining justice.